Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. Let's see what we can find today in the markets. How is my sound doing, guys? Can you guys confirm how my sound is? And then we will take it from there. How's my sound, guys? Sound is perfect. Awesome, Jose. So before we get started, let's take a look at yesterday's trades. Look at the ones that were posted in the... I'm not sure which ones. Okay, let's just take a look at these actually. So yesterday we had a pretty good trade on the US 30. But now if you're following the rules, if you're in the channel, in the free channel, you know that we don't take trades that are, or rather we need trades to be 50% into the stop loss range before taking it. So would have missed this first one, but the second one went pretty well, hitting 11R. So that was a beautiful trade, of course. And then the second one that we did was the GU. I think I did the GU on this live. So let's just see how it looked. And then also, if you watch the video on how to take our trades, you would have seen that most of those trades, or rather all of those trades, they gave multiple entries. So with this one specifically, I'll just have to switch to the... I think it's this one. Sorry. Just want to give you guys a bit of a breakdown on how it looked. Drop some pairs on the side there as well. And let's see what we can find in the markets. So this specific one, GU from yesterday, I think we caught this on the live. So you guys sort of probably got in the 1R, got broke even. It actually 2R, yeah. So 50% of the trade was closed, came back down, broke even. But now here, when it came back down, you'd have gotten another trade into it, which pushed all the way up, hitting 6R, give or take, came back down, broke even. So now, if you were as aggressive as most traders are, you'd have gotten it again, hit this level, probably got broke even, and then came back down. You just keep bouncing with the pair. So as long as you don't get stopped out, as long as you don't lose money in the pair, then the 2 losses rule is inapplicable. So you'll basically keep entering again until you get it. We also had a nice pair that we did on the premium channel, which was pretty good. Let's see how that looked. On gold, what was gold? So gold gave us a very nice move. So we had the first one hit, I think it was 3.5R, yeah, 3.5 give or take, and then came back down, went up again, hitting 5R, came back down, went up again, hitting 4R, came back down, and then finally shot off to your 13R, give or take. Very few people got this. Some only got the first pair, the first 3R, and then pretty happy, and then left it there. But what I'm saying is because the strategy that we use, I mean, we don't really go for like a 90% win rate, but because you are targeting quality trades, you have to really take advantage of them. You have to take everything from them. So that's the tip for the day. And also understand that, guys, you will not win every trade. You can even lose 10 in a row. So which is why risk management is extremely important. I mean, if you can master that, your strategy can be dismal. But if you've got a good risk management strategy, and you also have a good what's this, discipline, you will practically be unstoppable. That's how you want to approach the market, guys. Awesome. I see that you guys want me to look at GJ and then AU. Okay, let's go into GJ and see what we've got on the GJ. There we go. So GJ on the daily, I don't think I saw anything here on the daily, but there is something there. I think that's the beauty about going through the market a couple of times. You will find pairs that you missed, and some people see things that you don't see, which makes it a bit of an advantage, and eventually you'll be good. Okay, so GJ, we've got that level there. You'd probably use this candle there, or even go as far back as to cover these, but I'd say these are a bit out for now, a bit far. So let's just take a look at this one, drop all the way down to the low time frame, either 5, 15, 30, doesn't really matter. It will just determine your stop loss range, and then once your stop loss range is determined, then you will see just how far your trade could potentially go. Okay, let's go into the 15 so we can have a bit clearer view. The news, we had the AUD news that came out earlier, so that is already priced in, so meaning we've got a very clean runway to work with for the day. So GJ, I'd look at something like this. There we go. I'm also going to drop this in the free channel, so if you're not in the free channel, get on our site and get the link so you can follow some of the trades that we post. Okay, so we've got this GJ. And then let me share it as well. And then somebody wants us to look at AUD USD. I think we did find something neat on the AUD USD. It won't look the same as the other time because I'm looking at it with fresh eyes again. That's why you find that the analysis always changes. Sometimes you'd find me sending signals late, because then I would have looked at the markets again. And good news is we are launching our pre-New York session pretty soon, so keep an eye out for that. That one got wicked out, wicked in there. There we go. So we'll look at something like this on the AUD USD. Price point, stop loss range, and then targeting this level here. You probably get a reaction here as well at this level, but by then you should be left with only 25% of the trade. So which means you'd be on 7 hour, yeah, 25% of the trade would be left. And then somebody wants us to look at the UCAD as well. I think we also got something on the UCAD earlier. Yep. There we go. Don't forget to like, guys. Like and subscribe and share. Let's go for that 1,000 mark. We smashed through the 500 subscribers mark. So once we get to the 1,000, we get a nice level to work with there. That'll give us some bragging rights. Okay, UCAD, we've got something like that. We've got some liquidity at the bottom. Would be looking at an entry level using this candle, of course, and then you'd want something like that. You can drop down even lower and then probably get a tighter stop, which is always the best, of course. Tighter stop means more RRs, meaning your trade doesn't have to do much, but it also means a higher risk of getting kicked out. So you probably have to incorporate the chances of you taking multiple pairs or the multiple trades in the same position, just so that it gives you a chance. Okay, so looking at something like that. And guys, you need to really manage your discipline. Once you've got your discipline on check, you'll probably be a very good trader. A lot of people are hopping through strategies trying to find the holy grail. There is no holy grail. If you can find somebody doing 90% win rate with crazy RRs, of course, consistently, then please let me know. I want to go to their course. That's it. There we go, guys. I think that should be it for the day. Those are the pages you guys have shared as well. Any questions, guys, just drop them on the side there, and then let's see if we can answer them. Okay, that's it there. Let me share this one as well. Okay, no questions here. Okay, awesome, guys. Let's catch up again tomorrow, same time. See what we can take. Don't forget to follow the rules. Always take partials. Manage your risk. And you'll be good. Happy trading, guys. I see Chiwi Fu is asking if it can go up to the 7500 level on the AUD USD. Let's take a look at that. AUD USD 7500. You're looking at, let's go into the daily and just see what we've got there. So you're looking at it hitting somewhere along these levels. That is also a potential good area to look at if it does break through these, of course. But remember, because we are trading very tight stop loss positions, you'd find us getting into a trade dropping down, giving us all the pips, and then pushing up all the way again into these levels. This is also another good area to trade from. Anywhere between here, anywhere between this level and this level, I wouldn't trade. I don't trade in the zone or the zone. And if this one does fail, I'll probably wait for this level as well. So it's a good area to look at, Chiwi. I see Koto says I sound South African. I am South African. You can check my interview on Trading Nut. And then Patrick, what pair are you looking at today? I'm looking at quite a lot, actually. Well, I just posted the ones that the group wants us to look at. And then looking at, these are the pairs I'm looking at on the VIP. Yeah, premium channel. And then Craft Constanza says, what's my win rate? My win rate fluctuates, actually. Last week, I think I had probably a 30 or 40% win rate. Overall, 65, 70. It really fluctuates. I mean, there are weeks where I'd get all the trades, like 100% of the trades. And then there are weeks where I literally get 2. Last week was one of the weeks. I had a red week last week. But like I said, even when I get the good win rates, I never ever increase any lot sizes. I don't increase my risk. It always stays the same. The rules always stays the same. So that always compensates for any bad streaks. Am I African? Yes, I'm African. Anyway, guys, we will chat again tomorrow. Let's look at the charts. Let's keep trading. Check out our Telegram channel, free channel, Uniforex Dojo. And then, yeah, you can follow some of the pairs that we share. Have an awesome day, guys.